Vaughn. Let me tell you what it's like. Let me tell you what it's like. Let me tell you what it's like. Let me tell you what it's like.
CAMMED install 07 Charger RT. First thing you want to do is take the front bumper off. Start draining the radiator and dropping it.
Just got the radiator draining. Petcock type deal. Pretty much, yeah. Just remove the fans right now. Start taking your pulleys and stuff off. Remember the way it goes. Take the pulley stuff off. Take your AC compressor out. AC compressor out. One at the top. There's 2, 3, and 4 bolts. And drop it down. Alternator. Remove the lower radiator, lower water pump hose. Yep. Pretty much. Make sure this hose is disconnected from the radiator or from right here, whichever order. I couldn't get mine off because look at it. Static. But yeah. Take off the balancer. Drain the oil. Or you can keep it. Shit. I'm keeping mine. I just did this like 1,000 miles ago. But yeah. Pan bolts. It's like front 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your down pipes. If you got down pipes, I got headers, so disconnect that shit. Front timing cover bolts. Well, front timing cover. So hit these bolts. All of them. All the bolts. I got the water pump. Cover off. Now it's time to pull ahead. Take off the valve covers, coil packs, and intake. Valve covers, take off the head. Valve covers off. Start taking off the rocket arms. Intake, exhaust side. Start from the middle. Outside. Almost like a big circle. Start here, go around. So boom, 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 boom. The same for all of them. Boom, 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 boom. Intake side, exhaust side. Intake, exhaust. So got the rocket arms off. Start doing the inside wheel, the head bolts. Just like the rocket arms. Go. Boom, boom. There's one right there. Boom, 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 boom. Then boom, boom, then boom, boom. The edges. So kind of like a circle. This one, then that 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 one. So I took out the can.
And then you could put it on Facebook.
And then you can go through and edit it.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a sexy ass cam. Look at it. Ooh.
Everybody's giving you shit about not coming back together.
Some lube on the coat. This bitch nice and ready. Yes. Woo. 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 Right in the boot hole. No, I'm gonna stop. Hope they don't try to give me more cam jobs up here. I'm a lube tech, nigga.
This thing was a nightmare, man. I've only been working on it all day. Yeah, I still got to put the hubcap on.
Boot.
Been there since 8 o'clock this morning.
This shit sticky, icky.
Listen here, Sonny.
Hear that?
They think your hours before we come on and kick your ass.
The thing is, I'm getting this on video.
I'm weak.
My twist.
In the hole. Oh! Shit, I'm getting hit. Now, before you take out your cam, you want to mark these lines so you can know how to put it back in so your car can already be in time. Now just reinstall everything and you're good to go.
This right here was like the first startup. I was nervous as hell. When that motherfucker just started cranking, I'm like, oh my God.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Yeah, baby! Fuck yeah, there she is!
You gon' die, we ain't spurring nobody. Hollin' and smoke, we hit your block with a new Draco and try. Turn around with tough, around with shots, we slang out on anybody. But I got a 40, this a Glock and this clean, ain't got nobody. Man, I'm pulling on this bitch, you play with me, that's a promise. And when it's